Hey there! Welcome back to Mind Media. What if one simple psychological trick could make people instantly like you? Wouldn't it be great to walk into a room and immediately feel connected to everyone around you, to make friends easily and have people naturally gravitate towards you? Well, it's not just a fantasy. In this video, we'll reveal a powerful psychological trick that can help you create instant connections with others. So let's dive in. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to have a magnetic personality? They enter a room and instantly become the center of attention. They effortlessly make friends and have a knack for making everyone around them feel seen and heard. It's no secret that having strong social skills can significantly impact our lives. From forming meaningful relationships to advancing our careers, the ability to connect with people and build rapport is a valuable asset. But what if I told you that there's a scientific basis for this phenomenon? Psychologists have discovered something called the mirroring effect. The mirroring effect refers to the tendency for people to subconsciously mimic the body language, tone, or gestures of those they are interacting with. But why would they do this? The answer lies in the way our brains process familiarity. When we encounter someone who mirrors our behaviors, our brains interpret it as a sign of familiarity and connection, which in turn creates a sense of comfort. As a result, we naturally feel drawn to these individuals and find ourselves liking them more without even realizing why. Think about it. When you're engaged in a conversation and you notice that the other person is mirroring your body language or speech patterns, it makes the interaction feel more intimate and meaningful. It's like they're speaking your language, not just verbally, but non-verbally as well. So how can you harness the power of the mirroring effect to become more likable? Here are 3 practical tips. Tip number 1. Start by matching someone's speaking pace or energy level. By matching the person's energy, you're showing them that you're attuned to their communication style, which creates a sense of ease and familiarity in the interaction. For example, if they speak quickly, try to match their pace. If they're more reserved, adjust your energy level accordingly. Tip number 2. Mirror small gestures naturally. Subtly copying another person's small gestures can help create a sense of connection and understanding. For example, if they nod their head in agreement, you can mirror that gesture. Just be sure to do it subtly. Forcing or exaggerating these gestures can come across as fake and may have the opposite effect. Tip number 3. Use genuine smiles and open body language to reinforce the connection. A genuine smile is a universal gesture of happiness and warmth. When you mirror someone's smile, it reinforces the bond between you and makes them feel more at ease. Similarly, keeping your body language open and relaxed conveys confidence and comfortability. It's important to remember that the key to using the mirroring effect effectively is to do it subtly and naturally. The goal is to create a sense of connection and rapport, not to make someone feel self-conscious or uncomfortable by overtly copying their every move. So next time you meet someone new, try using this psychological trick and watch how quickly you build rapport. In which situations will you use this trick? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this trick useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to show us you approve. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we release more psychology-based life hacks. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. Thanks for watching. Until next time, remember to stay curious and keep those connections real. Take care. Did you enjoy this video? If so, we highly recommend checking out our other video, 7 Surprising Habits That Make People Instantly Like You. You'll find it linked below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.